In this video, I will guide you how you can connect Pixelverse to Bybit Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, start by opening up your Telegram and sign in to your Pixelverse. Then click on Wallet on the top right, which is the wallet icon. Now once you click that, this is going to give you a lot of options. So you need to simply click on Bybit, which is under the OKX wallet. Now once you click there, click on yes I have account, otherwise you can also create. Now if I click on deposit Bybit, as you can see, write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive token. So let's open up our Bybit and go to the wallet option on the bottom right, and then I will simply click on the deposit and click on deposit crypto. Simply search for USDT and make sure ERC20 is selected, then copy your wallet address. Go back and simply paste it just like so. Once you are done, you can click on the made it option on the bottom of your screen, and once you do so, this is going to take a couple of seconds to verify, and this is going to connect your Pixelverse to your Bybit wallet. So that's the way of how you can connect Pixelverse to Bybit wallet.